guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about hair mask.
That I can stay high above these clouds with you.
Now this has been a long-term project. I have been experimenting with hair mask and finally I came up with this video. I have been experimenting for the last 6 months, and in the process of shooting the video clips I have lost a few video clips, and I'll be compensating it with some other video clips, so I hope you excuse me for that. And yes, let's get started with today's video. Let's start off with the banana hair mask. This was the first hair mask which I prepared in the lockdown, and I took a very ripe banana so that the banana peels don't get stuck in my hair. Moreover, I made sure that it has been grounded very well. I took a sieve and had sieved it thoroughly so that there is no clump present in the mixture. But yes, let's see how it turned out to be.
Turn to dust, the way each moment turns to unsaving adjustments for the trust between ourselves. Each agreement is a bind, each goodbye takes us beyond this quiet forest.
Okay, the conclusion which I could make from the banana hair mask is that it was neither moisturizing, it did turn my hair a bit frizzy, and I could see banana peels here and there. It means a lot of time waste, and it also means a lot of water wastage, which I really don't feel like doing because there are many people who don't have access to good water in our country. So I don't prefer wasting a lot of water on my hair.
I'm not so sure that I'll ever come back.
On to the second hair mask which I tried, and that is the flaxseed gel hair mask. For this I did soak up flaxseed in water and then boil it, and I didn't mix it with anything whatsoever. I just applied the flaxseed on my hair. And trust me guys, it was not so pleasant. I ended up wasting a lot of water again for my hair, and I didn't like the experience. It didn't do anything as such for my hair. I don't know, maybe in the long term it might do, but I am really doubting if any of you will invest so much time in hair mask, like in preparation of the hair mask and then application and then washing off. It's a big headache. I don't know. So this is also again a no.
That you might miss me, but all these winding roads are taking me to where I'm feeling I must go, I know.
Now let's keep on to the last and the final hair mask. And yes, this was not the final one which I tried. I tried this hair mask in between, but I kept it for the last because anything that ends well is all well. So that is the coconut hair mask. Coconut milk paste out of it, and trust me guys, this was the most pleasing hair mask I could ever experience in my life because the coconut hair mask really works.
It's unreal the way these mountains turn to dust, the way each moment turns to unsaving adjustments for the trust between ourselves. Each agreement is a bind, each goodbye takes us beyond this quiet forest. But now I know.
removal of this coconut hair mask was quite easy. I will never redo either of those, flaxseed or the banana hair mask, but yes, I will definitely do a coconut hair mask whenever I get time. But coconut overall, yes, does help your hair in conditioning your hair. If your hair suffers from hydral fatigue, it helps to restore that back. Yes, these are the 3 masks I tried over a period of time, like over a period of 6 months. I did repeat some of them to see if I was doing something wrong, but yes, it was nothing wrong, and I won't recommend flaxseed and the banana hair mask, and that is my personal recommendation. Don't take it otherwise. Obviously, if it is working well for you, you can still continue with that hair mask, but I did a lot of research in internet about all the hair masks, and I found that nothing was concluded and nothing is backed up by science. So whatever hair mask we are applying onto our hair might be beneficial, but cosmetic formulators and pharmacists need to work on those ingredients, and they need to come up with a formula which is more easy to prepare, which is more easy for application, which involves less water wastage. Need a hair mask, by the way? I don't think you need a hair mask. If your conditioner and shampoo and oil works well for your hair, I don't think that you need any of the hair mask. You might go for a conditioning hair treatment, but in spite of trying all this hair mask, which involves a lot of process and time is money, so I think you can invest that time in some other work and buy some brain mask, and then you can apply it onto your hair.
Can stay high above these clouds with you. I'm not sure where I'm.
Okay, by the way, I want you guys to comment down below if you have tried out any hair mask. I'll be trying out the aloe hair mask for sure, because I do see a lot of videos on the internet about aloe hair mask, and I think aloe is obviously hydrating, but I need to see the NCBI papers before coming up with a conclusion that whether it works or not. But anyways, as of now, I will stick to coconut hair mask, but not on a daily basis. I might invest in it when I have enough time to relax and have the luxury to spend that much time on my hair. Otherwise, I will prefer a ready-made hair mask which is available in the market. Do comment down your preferable ready-made hair mask in the comment section. I will try at least one of your choice. I have already been planning to try out a hair mask, so I will be trying out 2 ready-made hair masks on my hair, and I'll be reviewing that in my next hair care series video. So yeah, you can stay tuned for that, and you can leave in your recommendations in the comment section below. As of now, my hair is doing
Trust
perfectly.
between ourselves. Each agreement is a bind. Each goodbye takes.
The aloe one is pending, but I will keep that for the later part of the year, not now presently, because I am not believing in DIY hair mask hereafter. If you're planning to do any of this hair mask, I would ask you to stop right there and don't invest your time in there. You can invest your time in something more fruitful rather than wasting your time in all these DIYs. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you found it useful, and if you have found it useful, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye, take care.
I'm not so sure that I'll ever come.